Hi, I'm Marianne Wilson, editor of Chain Store Age magazine, and I'm reporting live from the NRF's 99th annual convention in New York City, or as it's known in the trade, the Big Show. Here with me today is Dilip Popat. Dilip is the global retail industry leader for Microsoft. He's going to tell us about an exciting new product that Microsoft is unveiling here at the show.
Thank you. We're very excited to be here at NRF. We're launching the Microsoft Dynamics AX for Retail solution, which is really a comprehensive end-to-end solution for the retailer. The solution is covering everything from the front end of the retail operation all the way back into the supply chain.
Now, is that solution targeted at retailers of a specific size, or does it fit across different footprints?
I would say the solution is very much a good fit for retailers, first of all, in the kind of the specialty segment of the market, as well as the kind of the mid-size retail organization, which are reasonably complex businesses and really need this out-of-the-box capability.
When you say it's a comprehensive solution, could you explain a little bit by what you mean about that?
So it's a number of things. First of all, it's a solution that provides a capability right from the point of sale within the retail environment. It's got all of the key functionality required to drive that store operation from headquarters, and then it's integrated back to the core ERP on Dynamics AX. So now you've got three important components seamlessly integrated. And on top of that, we're providing a number of additional components to extend the solution out, whether it's integration to e-commerce or into your payment services.
So it supports other services in the retail organization?
Absolutely. The solution will support all the key critical services. A number of those will be provided from Microsoft out of the box for the retailer to use. Equally, we're building a very rich partner ecosystem that will essentially build further solutions and services on top of that solution to really deliver the specific requirements retailers may have depending on the type of business and the segment they're operating in.
And what kind of integration are we talking about within a retailer's organization?
One of the value they're really providing is really providing this end-to-end integrated solution. I think there are many solutions in the marketplace. There are individual components which the retailer is really having to spend the time to integrate, which takes time and cost. And I think one of the value that Microsoft is providing that integration out of the box, and yet it's adaptable. So you can adapt it to meet some of the critical processes you need to run, and also really enable their people, which I think is the main asset a retailer has, to easily use a solution to really deliver the kind of performance they need for their organization.
And when will it be available?
So we're super excited that we're going to be launching the Dynamics AX for Retail solution the summer of this year in a number of international markets. So it'll be available to all our customers and partners to really drive that business going forward.
And if customers want to find out a little bit more about the solution, who should they talk to?
If the customers want to know more about it, which I hope they very much do after this interview, they should absolutely come and contact us, contact your local Microsoft team, come and contact me directly, and we'll be very happy to sit down and go through the solution in more detail. It really is going to simplify their ability to run their operation. When you look at the solution, it has the look and feel of Microsoft Office, things that people are very used to using. So there isn't intensive training required. You can adapt to the solution quite rapidly. Retailers have quite a large turnover in staff. They have permanent members of staff. They have part-time staff operating it across many hours. And I think the beauty about the solution is it's easy to use. It will look familiar, and they can really kind of, it's intuitive in terms of the interaction with the solution, which I think is a huge advantage.
How do you see 2010? It's early on. How do you see it shaping up for retailers from an IT point of view? What do you think what are their challenges and their opportunities?
Clearly, I think it was a tough time for the industry last year, and I can already feel an optimism at this show this year. I can feel the buzz, and I feel retailers are beginning to realize that we're in such a competitive marketplace, very dynamic industry, and we really need to start thinking about how we can create that differentiation which our consumers are continually looking for. So I'm beginning to see retailers thinking about how do they achieve that agility and start making some key investments. So I'm really excited about the temperatures rising in this industry and very much looking forward to contributing to that.
Thanks, Dilip, for giving us that preview of Microsoft Dynamics AX for Retail. This is Marianne Wilson reporting from the NRF's 99th Annual Convention in New York City.